Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about primer. What is primer? Remember, it is always recommended to use a respirator when spraying. Also, make sure the area is well ventilated and no dust is flowing towards your refinish area. If using a fan, make sure the fan is not pushing air or dust in your area but sucking the air out. What is primer? Primer is a surface preparation coat and provides a sound foundation to the top coat. Primer improves adhesion of the top coat. It is the first coat applied. Paint alone will not stick or adhere as well as primer if you apply a top coat to a bare substrate. The paint will peel, flake off, or look rough. This is why you must apply a coat of primer between the substrate and the top coat, also known as color base coat. Primer also prevents any chemicals from bleeding through and showing in the top coats of the paint.
ReadyCarPaints.com is the cutting edge in color matching technology. Ready Car Paints delivers performance you can count on and expert service you can trust. Visit us today at ReadyCarPaints.com.